Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Yoga can be an effective tool for weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. While yoga may not burn as many calories as high-intensity workouts, it can help improve flexibility, reduce stress, and increase mindfulness. Here are 5 yoga poses that can aid in weight loss when practiced regularly. 1. Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is a series of 12 yoga poses performed in a flowing sequence. It helps increase cardiovascular activity, tones muscles, and boosts metabolism. Incorporate Sun Salutations into your daily routine to kickstart your weight loss journey. 2. Warrior II. Virabhadrasana II. Warrior II is an excellent pose for strengthening the legs and burning calories. It engages the core, thighs, and hips while promoting balance and focus. Hold this pose for several breaths on each side to maximize its benefits. 3. Plank pose, Phalakasana. The plank pose is a full-body workout that targets the core, arms, and shoulders. It helps build strength and stability, which can contribute to a faster metabolism. Try to hold this pose for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. 4. Boat pose, Navasana. Boat pose is an effective core strengthening exercise that engages the abdominal muscles. It also helps improve digestion and balance. Hold the pose for 20-30 seconds or longer as your strength increases. 5. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Bridge pose is a back bend that engages the glutes, lower back, and thighs. It can help tone the lower body and improve spinal flexibility. Lift your hips and hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.